In this video, I am going to solve a problem that pretty much everyone nowadays deals with, cell phone bill. So a cell phone / mobile company charges $50 flat fee for a user and gives 300 minutes of talk time. So that's included into the $50 flat fee. So you get $300 minutes of talk time. But if you go over that 300 minutes, you have to pay 35 cents or $0.35 per minute. First, we need to create a linear model for the cell phone bill for a user. Second, we need to find out how much money she owes if she talked for a total of 500 minutes for a month. And third, what is if her monthly bill is $85, then how many additional minutes did she talk for that month? Let's do part A first. So we are going to use the linear model y is equal to mx plus b. Here m is the slope, b is the y-intercept, and x is the number of additional minutes. Remember, this is not the regular minute. Number of additional minutes that she talks over 300. So if she talks for 500 minutes, her additional minutes would be 200. In that case, x is going to be 200. If she talks for 700 minutes, her additional minutes is going to be 700 minus the allowed 300, which is 400. In that case, x is going to be 400. So please clarify this thing. Now, what we are going to do is this. We are going to find y. What is y? Y is her bill, monthly bill. So now, we are going to create the linear model y is equal to slope. Okay? Slope is how much money she is paying per minute. That's the rate of change. For speaking an additional minute, how much is she paying? She's paying 35 cents or 0.35 times the number of minutes, additional minutes she talked, which is x, plus her fixed bill. Remember, the fixed bill is $50 every month she is going to pay, regardless whether she goes over or not. Just for having the service, she has to pay $50. So now this is the linear model for her monthly bill. Now let's do part B. In part B, if she talks for 500 minutes, then what is her monthly bill? Now, y is equal to 0.35 times x, so I'm going to put a parenthesis around here, plus 50. We got to figure out what is x if she talks for 500 minutes. Now keep in mind, if she talks for 500 minutes, first 300 minutes is included in the plan. Therefore, she only has to pay for the remaining, which is 500 minus 300, which is 200. So your x must be 200. So that's the catch here. Now the rest is easy. Y is equal to 0.35 times 200 is, by the way, is going to be 70 plus 50, which is 120. So her monthly bill is going to be $120. The last one, C, if her monthly bill was $85, that means if her y was $85, so it's going to be 85. So y is equal to 0.35x plus 50. Y is 85, so I'm going to put 85 is equal to 0.35 plus 50. If I subtract 50 from both sides, I get 35 on the left hand side, because 85 minus 50 is 35, is equal to, on the right hand side, these two cancel out, positive 50 and negative 50. That's going to give me 0. Oops, I forgot the x here, 0.35 x. Now to solve for x, I divide both sides by 0.35. Okay, so it's gonna be 35 over 0.35 is equal to x. On the right hand side, 0.35 and 0.35 cancels. Now I'm going to multiply both top and bottom by 100 to get rid of the decimals, because there are 2 digits after the decimal. So that's going to give me 35 times 100 over 35, that is equal to x. Now on the left hand side, 35 and 35 in the numerator and denominator cancel out. That gives me x is equal to 100, or 100 is equal to x, which is x is equal to 100. So for that particular month, when her bill was $85, she actually spoke an additional 100 minutes. And also in going from here to here, I use the logic, if C is equal to D, then equivalent statement is D is equal to C. So that's the logic I have used. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.